In this video, I will guide you on how to fix verification code issue on DoorDash. First, you want to open the DoorDash app. Now, the first thing you want to do is check your details. For that, head over to the profile icon. Now, you want to tap on the settings option over here. Then from here, you want to make sure that your phone number or email is entered correctly. Avoid typos or wrong country codes. So if there is any error, you simply want to fix that. Next thing you want to do is check your network connection. Ensure you have a strong internet connection. Make sure that your phone can receive SMS messages. Remember that landlines are not supported. Next, you want to request a new code. Wait for at least 1 minute and tap on resend code. Next, you want to reinstall the app. If nothing else works, you simply want to reinstall the app. Once it has been uninstalled, go ahead and reinstall it from Play Store or App Store. In this way, you can easily fix the DoorDash verification code issue. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.